Greetings, this is Haas Tarlington with the first step in a civil lawsuit. This is step one, is the complaint. Okay, the first step is the complaint, and that's what you're complaining about. That's the documents that outline who you're suing first. Here is page one. On the left is the plaintiff versus all those people there that are defendants. And on the top right, that's where the clerk of court will stamp it. And you see where she date stamped it as well and gave it a case number. Then underneath that it says, plaintiff is apparently the victim of a RICO conspiracy, which victims or crimes are further victimized by law enforcement operating solely to benefit themselves. In this country, it's gotten to the point where cops arrest victims. You've seen that most famously in the Rittenhouse case recently. And you watch the video where the guy has a gun pointed to his face, kills his attacker, and he was arrested. He didn't break any law being there. He didn't break any law having a weapon there. None of that. Here we have the jurisdiction of this here we have jurisdiction of this court is invoked pursuant to 18 U.S. Code section 1961 through 1968, and then the RICO statutes, and this is where you tell the court, inform them of their jurisdiction. Then you have parties, which of course is me, the plaintiff, and all those defendants. After the defendants are listed, you have a statement of facts, which is a summary of what's going on. It's defendant Winston Connor, that's Backdoor Connor, to locals here. He appears to be the head of a RICO conspiracy, which is racketeering, influencing corrupt organizations, operating for the benefit of his fellow co-conspirators. Connor has already been charged by prosecutorial information with racketeering by the state of Oklahoma and case criminal felony 2019-1838, District Court of Oklahoma, filed on April 15, 2019. Several counts of that information appear to describe federal predicate acts of RICO as well. Of course, this is a federal lawsuit that I'm filing. The state is charged him with all these crimes. Remember, he's already been indicted by a grand jury on many felonies. This is our lawyer, previously a assistant DA for Delaware County. He became my attorney, and I think that later on I'll go into depth with my preliminary hearing, and you can decide, because like the judge will, was he on the side of the drug dealers the entire time? We know he has connections to drug dealers. Maybe he's never on my side at all.
What's your plan for tomorrow? Are you a leader or will you follow? Are you a fighter or will you cower? It's our time to take back the power. What's your plan for tomorrow? Are you a leader or will you follow? Are you a fighter or will you cower? It's our time to take back the power. What you gonna do when they show up in black suits on your street in army boots, and they'll silence you? What you gonna say when they strip your rights